Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Roborock Saros 10R. The Roborock Saros 10R is the best robot vacuum cleaner we've tested. This flagship robot vacuum uses multiple solid-state LiDAR sensors for mapping and obstacle avoidance and a camera for obstacle recognition, leading to great obstacle avoidance. The 10R can get under very low furniture owing to its low profile because it doesn't use a top-mounted LiDAR tower, and it can climb tall thresholds due to the AdaptiLift system that independently adjusts the height of its wheels. This robot vacuum also has an impressive mopping system. The multifunction docking station cleans the mop pads at a high temperature for greater sanitation and effectiveness, and it cleans its own mop pad wash tray. Unfortunately, pet hair pickup isn't this robot vacuum's strength, as it struggles to remove hair caught deep in carpet fibers. This is due to its split brush roll design that's great at resisting hair tangles but doesn't agitate carpet sufficiently for the job. If you're looking for better pet hair pickup in a high-end robot vacuum, consider the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, although its obstacle avoidance isn't nearly as advanced. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo. If you're shopping at an upper mid-range price point, the Roborock Qrevo is a good option. It has much in common with the pricier Roborock Saros 10R, sporting the same great mopping system and a similarly designed multifunction dock to empty the vacuum's dustbin, refill its water tank, and wash/dry its mop pad. There are some differences, however. While it also has a real-time hazard avoidance system, it's less sophisticated than the Saros 10R's StarSight obstacle avoidance system, which is much better at identifying hazards. The 10R's multifunction dock also washes the mop pads with much hotter water, cleaning more effectively and sterilizing the pads better. But there's very little difference between the two in terms of automation capabilities. The Qrevo also supports multi-floor mapping, room labeling, no-go zones, and custom cleaning settings for different user-defined areas. Number 3. Roborock Q5 Max Plus. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus is the best robot vacuum cleaner we've tested at the mid-range price point, as it offers a great balance of features for the cost. Compared to older models from the Q5 lineup, the Q5 Max Plus features a redesigned dual-roller cleaning head that offers better pet hair pickup performance than newer high-end models with single brush rolls. It has a decently sized internal dustbin, so it won't need to return to its self-empty station too often. Plus, it can cover a fair bit of ground during each cleaning session, thanks to its impressive battery life. This vacuum sports many of its pricier stablemates automation features, like multi-floor mapping capability and a smart recognition feature that automatically determines which of its stored maps it's working in. Finally, the companion app lets you customize the 3D representation of your home, label specific rooms, and send the vacuum wherever you'd like using the Pin and Go function. As for downsides, you lose some of the convenience features of Roborock's more expensive offerings. Gone is any mopping capability, and although it comes with a dock, it's much simpler than the multifunction dock found on the Roborock Saros 10R and the Roborock Qrevo. The Q5 Max Plus also isn't capable of real-time hazard avoidance, nor is fast charging on offer. Number 4. Anker Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. You may be unfamiliar with Anker's robot vacuums, but they're often more affordable alternatives to the iRobots and Sharks of the world. The Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid isn't a budget machine by any means, but it's a solid robot vacuum that offers a few key features that many competitors don't have. Plus, you can often find it on sale for $549 or even $449. Unlike some of our other picks, the X8 Hybrid doesn't come with a self-emptying bin, nor is there one you can purchase separately. It's just a standalone RoboVac, but the hybrid indicates that it's also a robot mop. It is both a dustbin for collecting debris and a 250 milliliter water tank that you can fill whenever you want to run a mopping cycle. Plenty of other robot vacuums have this feature, and it could be even more useful than a self-cleaning bin if you have lots of tile or hardwood floors throughout your home. Besides that, I was impressed with how easy it was to set up the X8 Hybrid. how accurate its mapping capabilities were and how many extra features it supports. It has 4 cleaning modes: auto, room, zone, and spot, and 4 suction levels starting with pure at the low end and topping out at max. These features give you a lot of control over where the machine cleans and how powerfully it will do so. The X8 Hybrid was in pure mode the first time I ran it, and I was surprised by not only how quiet it was but also how thoroughly it cleaned considering it was on the lowest suction setting. There's also a tap and go feature that lets you pinpoint any spot on your home map in the Eufy Home app, sending the robot there to clean. Manual controls are also available, which isn't something you see on a ton of RoboVacs. This option lets you control the machine almost like a slow and slightly clumsy RC car, giving you more control over where it cleans. It may not have the name recognition that iRobot or Shark do, but the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid is a solid choice nonetheless, especially if you don't care to add a clean base into the mix. It's an even more tempting choice if you can snag it at a lower price when it's discounted. Number 5. Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Dreamtech L10S Ultra navigated our test courses effortlessly, rarely bumping into obstacles and efficiently cleaning under low-profile furniture like sofas. With its long runtime, spacious dustbin, and excellent maneuverability, this model is a great choice for larger homes. Advertisement. Continue reading below. The L10S Ultra functions as both a vacuum and a mop. On carpets, it automatically raises its mopping pads, allowing for seamless dry and wet cleaning in one session. In our tests, it excelled at removing pet hair from carpets, with none of the hair tangling in the brush roll or clogging the dustbin. It was all automatically emptied into the dock's spacious 3-liter dust bag. Transitioning from hard floors to carpets was smooth, as the mopping pads lifted promptly. We appreciated that the included cleaning solution has its own designated spot in the dock, eliminating the need to mix it manually into the water tank. During mopping, sticky stains noticeably lightened after just one pass. The dock also automatically washes and dries the mopping pads upon the robot's return. Among 10 comparable robots, the L10S Ultra earned the second highest maneuverability score. It expertly navigated around obstacles, cleaned tight edges and corners, and effectively picked up debris beneath furniture. The app stood out to us for its user-friendly design, allowing you to adjust water and suction levels, schedule cleaning tasks, and even view a live feed from the robot's camera. While it is one of the pricier models we've tested, we think the L10S Ultra's superior performance, advanced features, and ease of use make it well worth the investment.